I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege for new players. First, understand the game's core objective, which involves either attacking or defending. You will choose from over 60 unique operators, each with distinct gadgets and roles. Mastering map layouts and common callouts is crucial for effective communication. Finally, dedicate time to practicing your aim and managing weapon recoil for better gunfights. As an attacker, your primary goal is to secure the objective. Begin by droning to locate defenders and identify reinforced walls. Use breaching charges or operator abilities to open up new pathways, creating pressure on the enemy. Team coordination is vital. Communicate your plans and execute pushes together. Once the site is clear, plant the diffuser in a safe spot and defend it for the win. On defense, your mission is to prevent attackers from securing the objective. Start by reinforcing 2 key walls per player and deploying your unique gadgets to fortify the site. Work with your team to establish strong crossfires and hold crucial angles. Deny entry to the objective by eliminating attackers or running down the clock. Utilize cameras to gather vital intel on enemy movements. To truly excel, consistent communication with your team is paramount. Always learn from each round, analyzing both victories and defeats to understand what worked and what didn't. Don't be afraid to experiment with various operators and their unique loadouts to find what suits your playstyle best. Dedicate time to practice your aim and map knowledge in custom games or the training grounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.